Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back for another video today. The Minnesota Vikings fired Leslie Frazier after 3+ seasons with the team. He finished 21, 33, and 1 with the team. Not a great record at all, not even a 500. They went to the playoffs last year against the Green Bay Packers. Ended up losing. They finished 10-6, the best season that Leslie Frazier had under this team. You come back this season and you finish 5-10-1. Not good at all. Adrian Peterson was a beast this season, not like he was last year. Your quarterback situation is all fucked up. You don't know if you want to go with Matt Castle, Christian Ponder, or newly acquired quarterback that you got this season from the Tampa Bay Buccaneers in free agency, Josh Freeman. Quarterback situation needs to get that together in the offseason or in the NFL draft. I think they should go after somebody in the NFL draft. I don't think a player in the offseason in free agency will be able to help them out. Go draft your future quarterback, build that quarterback up, get you some more players on offense, fix that defense, and you guys will be straight. I think you guys can be right back in the playoffs, but you guys need some more kinks on that offense and on that defense, and especially at that quarterback situation if you want to be able to be a playoff contender and want to be called a Super Bowl championship team. You guys need a lot of work still to be done. The Washington Redskins, they fired Mike Shanahan after 24-40 record with the team. He is finally gone from the Washington Redskins. It's going to be a new start for the Redskins. The Vikings and also the Cleveland Browns, who fired Rob Chudzinski yesterday during the games. They fired him yesterday after his game when they lost to the Pittsburgh Steelers 20-7. He finished the season 5-12. They lost their last 7 games. The Cleveland Browns did after starting 4-5. Why do the Cleveland Browns not give anybody a chance? They just up and fire people just like that. They don't give anybody a chance. They just up and fire people and just don't give anybody the opportunity to prove themselves. I mean, after one season, you're going to fire this guy? I mean, 4-5 start and then losing your last 7 games? I can see that that's bad, but come on, give the guy at least an extra season. I'm surprised Dennis Allen from the Oakland Raiders ain't been fired yet, but Adam Schefter reported on ESPN that there will be some more firings coming from the coaching staff, to the coaches, to the defensive coordinators, and to the offensive coordinators. There's going to be a lot more firing, so please stay tuned. I probably will have another video for you guys with some more firings coming up, and if I don't, then you'll just see me next Saturday and Sunday for the wild card games in the NFL playoffs. Once again, 49ers, Packers, Seahawks, and Cardinals. Seahawks and Carolina Panthers, they're on the first round bye. They got their bye. They don't play until the NFC divisional round. And then you got the Saints and the Eagles in the wild card game. AFC, you got the Bengals and the Chargers in the wild card game, and my Colts and the Chiefs in the wild card game. This is your boy DJ Charlie. I'm out of here. See you guys in my next video. Like this video, share on Facebook and Twitter, and also make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Peace out until next time. Once again, Mike Shanahan, Leslie Frazier, and Rob Chudzinski have been fired from the Browns, Vikings, and Redskins. Who will be the next head coach for those teams? What's going to happen with those teams in the near future?